Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT J5 and today I'll show you how to boot your device into recovery mode. So to get started you want to shut off the device, hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to power off, which will be indicated with the vibration. And once it has, we will then begin holding a volume up and power key. Okay, so now that it's off, volume up and power key, hold both keys together and we should see boot mode soon after, right now. And from here you want to select recovery mode using only volume up and volume down to confirm your selection, like so. And when you see the Android with no command, hold power key and click volume up once, like so. And from here we're now in recovery mode. So in this menu you will use volume up and down to navigate, up and down, and power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can reboot system, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, do a factory reset, wipe cache, and a couple other things. I'm simply gonna reboot system now and let the device boot back up into normal Android. And as you can see, we're now back in the normal Android. So that is basically how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.